Busy day? I've got you. We're making creamy Tuscan chicken. One pan, restaurant-level flavor, weeknight fast. Here's the plan. Sizzle to serve in under 30 minutes. 2 large chicken breasts, halved horizontally, so they cook fast and stay juicy. Pat them dry. Season both sides with kosher salt, black pepper, Italian herbs or dried oregano. Optional. Light dusting of paprika for color. Heat a large skillet over medium-high. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. Add a tablespoon of butter. When it shimmers, lay in the chicken, away from you, so it sings. Don't touch it. Let that golden crust happen, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Pull the chicken out to rest, tent loosely. Same pan, turn heat to medium. If the fat's dry, add a splash of oil. Toss in 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Stir 30 seconds, just fragrant, not brown. Deglaze with 1-2 cup chicken broth, scraping up every tasty bit. Pour in 3-4 cup heavy cream. Stir until smooth and slightly thick. Add 1-3 cup chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Oil-packed is best. Season a pinch of salt, fresh pepper, a tiny squeeze of lemon, a spoon of grated Parmesan. Simmer gently 2 to 3 minutes. Add a big handful of fresh spinach. Fold until it wilts and the sauce goes silky and green-flecked. Slide the chicken back in, plus any resting juices. Spoon the sauce over the top. Let everything bubble on low for 2 minutes so the chicken soaks up flavor. Finish with a touch more Parmesan. Sprinkle chopped basil. Sprinkle chopped parsley. Texture check. Sauce should coat the back of a spoon. Glossy, not gloopy. If too thick, loosen with a splash of broth. If too thin, simmer another minute. Serve time. Over al dente pasta, creamy mashed potatoes, simple rice. Spoon that garlicky, tomato-studded cream all over. Bite test. Juicy chicken. Bright tomato tang. Sweet garlic. Herby backbone. Luscious sauce. Cleanup. 1 pan. Dinner? Done.